Are you a hard-working chef that needs to develop dish after dish? Let's be honest, often you are short on time or creativity, which can lead to creating the same menus over and over again. This could be different. Gastronomixs is an online idea generator for chefs by chefs. It gives you access to thousands of preparations which are called components. These components are the building blocks to your own unique compositions. Gastronomixs is the extension of your regular cooking tools. It provides you with an endless amount of tried and tested recipes. All of this within arm's reach, anytime, anywhere. Gastronomixs saves time and boosts your creativity within the kitchen. Want to add another dimension to your menu? Start your free 2-week trial period at gastronomixs.com. Everything you need to stay ahead of the game.